Now next we'll see when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, then what will be happen. Under this type, when you draw a rough sketch, note carefully the included angles in particular. Okay, construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB, BC, CD, angle B and C. So angle B and C both are given. So first we will draw BC. Okay. So see here BC we have drawn. Angle B we will form first 105 with the help of rounder, and angle C, it's not a multiple of 15, so with the help of protector 80 degree we will draw. So in this way. Now B to A 4 centimeter, draw radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc, and C to D 6.5 centimeter, draw an arc. So you will get your quadrilateral. Okay. So in this way you will get quadrilateral. Now think, discuss and write. You will try, I will give you answer. Okay. In our example we first drew BC. Instead what could have been be the other starting points? Other starting points we can draw, but we will how we will measurement we will get. If we will draw CD, angle C is given only. So what about D? 2A. So my point of view, I will not give you first according to my point of view. First you will find the answer. We used some 5 measurement to draw quadrilateral. So far can there be different steps of 5 measurements other than so far to draw a quadrilateral? The following problems may help you in the answering the questions. Okay, you will do and then reply me. Quadrilateral ABCD. First you will draw AB, then angle B 80 degree. Now B to C by taking radius 5.5 centimeter, draw. So you will get CBC. Now C and A by taking this and this radius. If is it possible, let me know. Quadrilateral PQRS with PQ equal to this, angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S. Okay. Now PQ. Angle P you will with the help of protector 70 degree, and angle Q you will draw this. Okay, now PQ you have drawn, but after that R and S point how you will get. So here the sufficient conditions are given, but here the sufficient conditions are not given. So construct a few more examples of your own to find sufficiency and insufficiency of the data for construction of quadrilateral. Okay, now see here exercise 4.4. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral DEAR and DEAR. So angle E and angle A is given. So first we will draw this line segment. Okay, so let us start. Now quadrilateral TRUE, R and U angle, both the angles are given. So RU. So one I will explain. So I will explain this because multiple of 15 is 75 degree, and this easily you can draw. You can form these angles, but I will teach you this because 75 degree little bit difficult. So I am explaining this. Okay, let us start. Now see here, first we will draw RU equal to 3 centimeter. Then from U as a center with the help of rounder by taking suitable radius, we will draw arc, and from here to this and this. So total arc we've got 120 degree, 60 and 60. Then we will join. Now for forming 75 degree, so same radius, draw an arc. So 120 we are getting. Now bisector of this 60 we will draw. Okay, so we will get 90 degree. You can see here 90 degree. So dotted line I will show you. After joining U to this intersecting point, extend it and draw a ray UX. And same way bisector we have drawn and extend the ray till Y. So draw a ray RY. Now afterwards what we will draw bisector of this. You can see the intersecting point I have drawn. So because 60 is here and it is 30. So half of 30 is 75 degree. So 75 degree Now we will join this intersecting point and draw a ray RZ. Now U as a center, by taking 4 centimeter radius, draw an arc on ray UX. So we will get the point. The quadrilateral name is TRUE. So TRUE. And here, by taking 3.5 centimeter radius, now at the end it's 4 centimeter and it's 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now we will join this to this. After joining points T and E, you got a quadrilateral, required quadrilateral TRUE. So steps of constructions, how you will write? So constructions, steps of construction. First, draw RU equal to 3 centimeter. Now form an angle RUX 120 degree and URZ 75 degree. Now U as a center, and by taking radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc which intersect a ray UX at E, and by taking radius 3.5 centimeter, R as a center, draw an arc which intersects ray RZ at T. Next point, join T to E. Quadrilateral TRUE is our required quadrilateral. Okay, now here 4.4 is finished. Now we'll see some special cases. To draw a quadrilateral, we used 5 measurements in our work. Is there any quadrilateral which can be drawn with less number of available measurements? The following example examine such special cases. Draw a square of side 4.5 centimeters. So why we can't draw all the? Definitely we can draw all the sides of squares. All the sides of a square always equal. So what we will do first, AB, and each angle is 90 degrees. So 4.5 centimeter 90 degree angle you will draw from here. Same way we have done this example, question number 4 from 4.3. I explained you. Okay, so we can draw by using the properties. Now see here, is it possible to construct a rhombus ABCD where AC and BD? Justify your answer. So diagonals are given. So ABCD diagonals are given. So first what we will do? We will do diagonals. We will draw. And property, which property? Perpendicular bisector. So more than half radius we will draw arc here. Already we have done. So perpendicular bisector you will get. Okay. Now perpendicular bisector, when you will draw the intersecting point, you will get from here, second diagonal is 6 centimeters. So from here 3 centimeter above and below you will draw an arc. And already we have done this question also. Okay. Now try this. It's your work. How will you construct a rectangle PQRS if you only the lengths? Same way. And construct the kite EASY if AY equal to 8 centimeter, EY equal to 4 centimeter, and SY. Okay. Which properties of the kite did you use in the process? So let us start. First you will think, then I will teach you. Now students, let us start exercise 4.5. Rough idea I am giving you because we have taken enough practice. The square READ we have to draw. R equal to 5 centimeters. So what you will do? RE. Very easy. So first you will write, we know that in a square each angle is 90 degree. So 90 degree angle you know how to draw. So suppose that 90 degree you have formed with the help of rounder, you know. Now in the square all sides are equal. So 5.1 radius you will draw an arc with center. Now needle you will keep here. So join this, you will get a square. Clear? A rhombus whose diagonal are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. So first you will draw longest side. So draw 6.4 centimeter diagonal. Suppose that AC. And if you are having any query, you can ask me in the group also, beta. I will teach you. Now perpendicular bisector. So more than half radius you will take. More than half. Okay. And more than half, and draw here arc above and below. So you will get intersecting point. Join those points. Now in 5.2 you will divide by 2, just a half of it, and center you will get perpendicular bisector. Suppose that in this way. So this point, suppose that you are getting O. So this 5.2 divided by 2. So you will get 2.6. So radius 2.6 and center you will assume this. Draw an arc here and center and join. So A, B, C, D you will get. Already we have done. A rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 cm and 4 cm. So rectangle adjacent, that means common vertex. But we know the property of rectangle. Each angle is 90 degrees. So what you will do? 5 cm you will draw 90 degree from here. Opposite sides are equal. Already we have done this also. Now a parallelogram OKAY, where OK equal to 5.5 centimeter and KA equal to 4.2 centimeter. Is it unique? So now you will tell me. You will find the answer. Is it unique? So 2 questions I will explain you. Think and discuss and this. Okay. Now what we have discussed. 5 measurements can determine a quadrilateral uniquely. A quadrilateral can be constructed uniquely if the length of its 4 sides and diagonal is given. A quadrilateral can be constructed uniquely if its 2 diagonals and 3 sides are known. A quadrilateral can be constructed uniquely if its 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are known. A quadrilateral can be constructed uniquely if its 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. So now first we will try to draw parallelogram. I am giving you hint. First you will draw OK. OK is given 5.5 centimeter. Now KA 4.2 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. So what you will do? First we have to draw parallel line of this. And it's a totally different concept. So KA 4.2, how you will draw? Because there is no property of OKA for parallelogram. So I think it will be not unique. But you will try. Definitely I will. I am also unknown. Same for you at this time. Okay. So here chapter 4 finished. So next for periodical test, next chapter we will start chapter 5. Okay.